This is a basic demonstration of how to navigate through this Prezi presentation. I'm going to show you some quick functions. You only need to know just a few basic functions to view all of the content in this presentation. So right now I am viewing it in a Chrome tab. It is best to view this on a web browser and using a mouse to navigate through the topics. There are always going to be these two buttons on the right side, no matter where you are in the presentation. This is the home screen that will always take you back to this screen. And this is the back or previous button, which will always take you back one slide. Down here in the bottom middle of the screen are forward and backwards buttons that will take you through the presentation in a linear fashion. So you don't get to choose which slide or subtopic you go to next. There is a sequential order. So if you want to navigate around wherever you'd like to go, you just do that by clicking on the topics here. We have 4 main topics, an about section. This video is in the how to use the website, and you can also zoom in on these pictures and videos here. So I'm just looking at this in my Chrome tab, but I'm going to go to full screen here. So now I can't see my Chrome in the background. So if you want to learn more about a topic, all you do is either click on it or move the scroll wheel on your mouse forward. These are subtopics under the topic Lake Delhi from past to present. There are lots of videos embedded in this website. You can watch these by clicking on the play button and they will go full screen automatically. And then I just moved my mouse and my home and my back button appeared over here. So if you get lost and want to go back, just move your mouse on the right-hand side of the screen and you're going to see the home and back buttons. So I'm going to further explore this subtopic just to show you a couple more features. There are also a lot of images and PDFs in this Prezi, and you can zoom in further and pan across the screen using your mouse. So as you can see, these are a little bit hard to see. You can click on any image to zoom to it full screen, and then you can use the scroll wheel on your mouse going forward to zoom in really as closely as you'd like, and then go reverse on the scroll wheel to move back out. You can also pan across the screen, which means you click on the left mouse button, hold it down, and then drag the screen. So we'll go back. I'm going to go back one slide with the previous button here. First, it will zoom to the whole slide. You click again, and it will take you back. And I'll show you how to navigate through some photos. So there are several photos here. Each of them can be clicked on to go full size. Again, you can zoom in further. And it's easier to use the scroll wheel back out, but you can use that pan function, the click and hold on the left mouse button, and drag to move across the screen. And now I'll show you an example of a PDF. Going to look at some web resources here. Examples of projects accomplished by TIPOs. This is a PDF that I got online. So again, you can zoom in to read and pan across the screen. Depending on the content of a slide, some images are pretty small and some PDFs are pretty small, but you can click on anything, just one click or forward scroll on your mouse to get closer to anything. And then use your home or your reverse buttons to go back to the topics that you want to look at. Or we can use the buttons down here again just to go in a linear fashion through the content. So if I click on this again, it's going to play the video before it looks at any other content. So this forward and backward function also includes the videos. Again, I'm going to go back to the home screen. I hope this tutorial was helpful.